Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and we have the slow motion mode and also the super slow motion, so we can pick the two of it. Now let me stay on the standard slow motion, and as you can see by tapping on it we get access to it, and we can start recording this kind of video now by using this big button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. Let me get some space to my camera. And now let's stop by tapping again to this button. So let's go back, and to see the video let's move to the left to this button. By tapping on it we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.